Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make intros for your YouTube videos. So firstly, open any web browser and search canva.com. Now search here YouTube intros. Now click on YouTube videos intro. Now here guys, you will see a list of intros, some paid and some free. So you can select any intro from this list and customize as your channel requirement. So this is the basic and quick video to know how to create YouTube thumbnails, YouTube channel art, Instagram post, your story and Facebook videos. So just select any intro and customize using this Canva template editor and upload on your YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, and I have some internet connection error, so the basic information I gave in this video. If you like, so please like my video, and if you want to know more how to customize these YouTube videos for intro, so comment, I will try to answer. Thanks for watching.